Hey everybody, it's math time, and today you're going to be working on a hundreds chart, and you have a worksheet that you're going to finish. You have to use the hundreds chart to finish the worksheet. So the first thing you need is your name at the top. Make sure you have your name on your top because you're not going to turn this in. You're going to turn it into me, and I'm going to look at it to make sure that you're getting all of the numbers right, okay? All right. You also have a little chip. It's a little yellow chip that you're going to be using. And you're going to be using that on your hundreds chart. I have, oh boy, I didn't grab my chip. I do. I have my chip. I have it. One of these little yellow chips, okay? So the first one says you're going to find the number 7 on your hundreds chart and put your chip on top of it. Okay? So now you see where 7 is, and it says, what number comes right after 7? So if I look at 7 here, what number comes right after 7? Yeah, we're going to write it on that line right after the number 7 there. It is number 8. Next one says, put your chip on number 13, 1, 3. Now, if I'm not sure where to find number 13, what I do know is 13 has a 3 at the end of it. I have to look at the 3 and then go down and find 13. There it is. Put your chip on it. Move your chip from 7 over to 13. And it says, what number comes after 13? So if I'm looking at 13, I look at the number that comes next. It's 14. So I'm going to write 14 on the line. Next one says, take that chip off 13. And now we're going to find the number 21. Look at what it ends with. It ends with a 1. So I'm going to go to the 1. And I'm going to look down. That's not 21, that's 11. Oh, there's 21, and I'm putting my chip on it. It says, what number comes after 21? Look right after 21, and you will see the number is 22. Okay, take your chip off 21. Now you have to find number 46. It ends with a 6, so you go up to find 6, and then you go down. 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6. That's the number I need. Put your chip on it. And it says, what number comes after 46? After 46 is 47. So you're going to write 4, 7 on the line. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Okay, now we're going to do the number that comes before our chip. So now we're going to put our chip on number 6. Put our chip on number 6, and it says, write the number that comes before 6. So we have to look on this side of 6 now. That is 5. So we're going to write a number 5 on the line. 5 comes before 6. Okay, take your chip off. Now we have to find number 53. 53 ends with a 3, so go up to 3. 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3. Oh, that's the one I'm looking for, right? 5, 3, 53. Put your chip on it. What number comes before 53? 52, yes. So you have to write 52 on the line. All right. Oh, look at what number we get to find. We get to find 100. Well, let's see. It ends with a 0. Oh, there's the 0 over here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We get to put our chip on 100. What number comes just before 100? Look at that number, 99. Let's write it. 99 comes just before 100. Okay, next one we have to find, 71. It ends with a 1, so find your 1 and then go down. 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1. That's the one we need. Put your chip on it. Uh-oh. It says, what number comes before 71? There isn't a number over on this side. Where do I look for that? I can't go up because that's not right. Remember that the numbers go all the way across, and then they come over here and they go all the way across. Then they come over here and they go all the way across. Oh, so I have to go all the way across, and that's my number that comes before 71. What is it? It is 70. 70. So I have to do 70 comes just before 71. Okay, now look at this. It says you're going to put your chip on the one that's in the middle, and then you have to write the number that comes before, and you have to write the number that comes after. So that first one, you're going to put your chip on number 7, and you have to write the number that comes before and after number 7. So you have to write both of those numbers. You have to write the one that comes before and the one that comes after. And you have to do that with all of those numbers. I know you can do that. I'm not going to do it with you here. Okay? When you get done doing that, you can unpause me, and then we'll do the last two together, okay? So you have to pause me now, and then unpause me when you get done doing all of those numbers. Okay? All right. We're ready to go to the next one. It says, write the 3 numbers that come before 27. So we're going to take our chip and we're going to put it on 27. It ends with a 7, so go down the 7s. There's 7, 1 7, 2 7. There's our 27. Put your chip on it. It says the 3 numbers that come before 27. 3 times we have to look. So what's the first one? The one that comes just before 27 is 26. So we're going to write 26 here. Then we'll move our chip. We're on 26 now. What comes right before 26? 25. So we're going to write that one. A 2 and a 5. Now I'm going to move my chip over. There's 25. What one comes just before 25? 24. So we're going to write that one right here. 24. There, I have my 3 numbers that come before 27. If I want to see if I'm right, let's see. 24, 25, 26, 27. Does that make sense? Those are the numbers that come before 27. All right. Now it says, write the 5 numbers that come after 39. Well, let's find 39 on our hundreds chart first. It ends with a 9, so we have to find 39 coming down the 9s. Here's the 9. Come down. 1 9. Come down. 2 9. Come down. 3 9. That's the number we need. Put your chip on it. And we have to find 5 numbers that come after 39. So what comes right after 39? 39, 40. So 40 is the first number that comes after 39. What comes after 40? Well, then we have to come down to here. What is it? 41. What comes after 41? 42. 41, 42, 43, and 44. Okay. I cannot wait to see what you got in the middle here. So when you're done now, you are going to put this paper in the bin or on top of the sensory table by the iPads. That's where you're going to put it. So I can take a look at it and see if you did all your numbers the right way. And the little yellow chip is going to go up there too. So bring your yellow chip and your paper up to the sensory table. Okay. Make sure your name is on it, because that was the first thing you were supposed to do.